Hi, I'm Dasha, and I don't know a lot of stuff. I used to think it's my flaw, but now I want to make it my advantage because, well, I can learn. So, for 40 minutes, I'll be researching one specific topic. It will be random, it will be weird, but knowledge is power. But I have a set of rules. First, I cannot use AI, and secondly, I should use at least one scientific article. I also have to premise it by saying that I suck at searching things up, but it's another skill to learn. So today I'm researching Saturn's moons. I kind of know something. I know one thing that Saturn has around 140 moons, which is insane. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna start with basic information. Now let's just go. All right, I cannot use AI. Yes, I think we'll go with NASA. That's the best source we can use in my personal opinion. Oh, there is Titan, there is Dion or Diane, Tethys, Mimas. I love the name. I think I'm gonna go with some names that I like. Jesus, I wasn't even close. Why have I heard that it has around 140? Because it says here Saturn has 274 confirmed moons. Okay, I'm confused now. Where did I get this number from? It's an outdated info. Where did I get that number from? Oh, I kind of get it. You see, I said around 140, right? And it says here that in March 2025, astronomers confirmed the discovery of 128 small moons around Saturn. Well, so my info was outdated. Now we know it's 274. I think it's even more nowadays, like 2026. We have to find these data. Let's do that now. Jesus, I have to scroll past these AI things. Yes, as you can see, it's International Astronomical Union, and they say, oh, it's March. So look, 2 months had passed from that. Oh, right. Okay, now it's 285. I'm very curious. How big, like a stone, should be to be considered a moon? Let's Google that as well. What is considered to be a moon? Air and Space Museum. What makes moon a moon? Okay, it was published in 2024, but I think the criteria hadn't really changed. So I'm gonna believe them. A mini moon is a small body like an asteroid that temporarily gets captured around a planet. And Earth has acquired a mini moon recently. I'm sorry, what? So we can acquire mini moons if something just floats around us. All right. So in 2024, guys, we have acquired a moon and it hang out with us for 57 days, guys. The name was 2024 PT5. All right, but it had left us. So moons or natural satellites are just things that orbit planets. Even some asteroids have moons, guys. How fascinating that is, right? Okay, obviously, let's let's learn about Titan. Let's learn about Titan. It's the largest moon Saturn had acquired. Actually, the pictures are wonderful. Okay, I think we need to go to Google Scholar. And I struggle with some words, honestly. Titan discovered. So I know that's a lot of moons and planets and crap that orbits some planets is discovered by just observing the planet and seeing that the kind of like the amount of light the planet, let's say, emits but actually reflects changes. So if the planet becomes dimmer, so it means that there is something floating around it. Or like it can obviously it can be something that floats around us and maybe we just like, don't get enough. But that's that's the way to see the origin and evolution of Titan. That's what I'm talking about, guys. All right, let's skim. This is a long, long article, a lot of numbers, a lot of links, but we will go through this. All right, now we know that Titan has like rock and ice, but also there might be the presence of a water ocean. Oh no, formulas. Guys, I honestly have no idea. I'm sorry, what? The fluid love number. Just a weird. Oh no, I cannot use AI. Wikipedia. Do we trust Wikipedia? We don't trust Wikipedia. Oh no, there is fluid love number and tidal love number. What is love number? Okay, I think I need to do it like that. So the love numbers H, K, and L are dimension. Oh, no, I have to Google how you say this word. Okay, let's just know that there are love numbers that are H, K, and L. This is too complicated. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go to, I think we need to do the smart thing and go to see the summary. Conclusion. Conclusion. All right. So these are the reports of the Cassini-Huygens mission to the Saturn system. Many questions remain. So guys, we still don't know a lot. So in theory, we can say that blocks that formed Titan contain a few percent of various gas compounds and methanol, traces of noble gases. All right. So we have Titan. What do we know about it? It has some atmosphere. It's the largest moon, and it also has a lot of gas, noble gas, for instance. There is a trace of CO2, but I think Cassini didn't really record it. At his side, it wasn't present. Yeah, let's go and explore then Enceladus. I think it's an icy planet. My prediction, it is an icy, yes, it's an icy planet. And it has geyser-like jets spraying water vapor and ice particles into space. So Enceladus doesn't have any atmosphere, right? The surface is smooth and can be bright white. It's the most reflective body in the solar system. Let's also learn some mythology, right? The names, the most fascinating thing. So Enceladus is a giant in Greek mythology. But what about Titan? Logically, Titan should be a giant, right? It's the biggest. Saturn, known in Greek mythology as Kronos, was a leader of the Titans. This is beautiful. Okay, now it makes a lot of sense, guys. Okay, I had to take a little break because my computer and I have overheated. But we still have some time to make some research. No, so far we know that Titan has more than 280 confirmed moons. There are small moons, there are bigger moons. What we consider to be moons, there are bigger moons. What we consider to be moons is like an object that starts circling around the planet and being pulled by the planet's gravity. All right, so we have to put it in our mind. Saturn is known in Greek mythology as Kronos, was the leader of the Titans. Therefore, Titan is Titan. And we have Enceladus, so it is a giant, and I assume it's the second biggest moon Saturn has. So Titan is nearly 50% wider than Earth's moon. I'm actually really interested in another moon about which we have some information over here. It's Mimas. I just love the name, honestly. Okay, we're back with mythology. Mimas, hope I pronounced it well, is also a giant who was killed by Mars in war between the Titan and the gods of Olympus. So Mimas is the closest one to Saturn. Okay, Mimas is similar to Earth's moon because it also shows only one face to Saturn. Okay, my time is up, and now we know more about Saturn's moons, what moons are, and the love numbers. Of course, we still remember them. We actually know more about the names of 3 moons that I found the most interesting. Yeah, exciting, right? So I hope you stick for the next episode when I found out more about another random thing. And for now, wish you a great time and see you.